Hello, reInvent 2022. I am Calvin Hendricks Parker, and I'm joined by Kristi Perreault, another AWS hero. Kristi, tell us a little about yourself.
Hi. I'm super excited to be here at reInvent this year. My name is Kristi Perreault. I am a AWS serverless hero and a principal software engineer at Liberty Mutual, and I also co-lead the AWS Sportsmith user group.
Yeah, you just moved there.
Yes, I just moved back. I'm from there originally,
Right.
so yes.
that group will be happy to have you, I'm sure. Because you're going to be doing it with Chris, right?
Yes, correct.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we're all here hanging out at AWS reInvent this week. What has been an announcement you've heard so far that has been exciting to you?
There have been so many great announcements this year. I think the one that I'm most excited for is the Lambda Snap Start, though. So it's, for those not familiar with Java Lambda functions, it's been really hard previously to utilize those to their full capacity because the cold start time is just super long. And at our large insurance company, Java is a really popular language. So we've kind of been pushing folks more towards Python and TypeScript because of that. But
you can't beat Python.
Yeah, no, I love Python
too.
Yeah, I absolutely love Python. But this will be great for some of our users and folks that are more familiar or comfortable in Java, and will hopefully allow us to utilize Java Lambda functions more with the cold start times really decreasing.
So do you know about how much they've decreased the cold start time?
I haven't seen any actual numbers on it yet. I've started looking into some of the technical details and how they're caching. It's really taking a snapshot of the memory and the power usage and caching that for use when they're pulling up the Lambda function.
Yeah, it seems like the AWS has really been focusing on things like that and the Fargate start times with the Z compression and the new caching of those layers. So I think there's a lot of excitement around the serverless aspects and actually speeding it up and making it so it's a no-brainer to do serverless.
Yeah, I mean, it's really awesome to see that a lot of the announcements were very serverless focused and heavy this year, especially in Werner's keynote.
Yeah, Werner's keynote
today.
was just nothing but serverless. I don't think there was anything else mentioned.
Yeah, exactly.
Barely,
exactly.
if it was.
Yep.
Awesome. So what do you after the conference is all done and you're back home, what are you hoping to take home with you?
So one of my favorite parts about coming here and for reInvent is just meeting all these amazing people and kind of networking and getting to know folks, and especially this year being able to meet people in person, since a lot of folks have been met over the pandemic or virtual in some capacity.
It's almost double in size as it was from last year, because last year they capped it, and so it was
it's definitely a different experience than last
experience,
year.
For sure.
Yeah, because I was here last year and I had the chance to meet a lot of awesome people, but it's, like you said, half the size, so it made it really difficult. But this is really cool to be able to kind of make those new connections. I'm really excited about some upcoming speaking opportunities in the new year and kind of partnering with some other folks and working more on serverless content.
Very cool. Thanks, Kristi, for being with us and hanging out and chatting with me.
Thanks for having me. I'm super excited.
All right, we'll talk to y'all later.
See ya.